You can see that I'm finishing up putting my pickles here down on a paper towel. And this is a very important step. So you wanna dry off those pickles with the paper towel. You'll see all of that soak right up in there, and you don't wanna forget this very important step. Moving right along, we're gonna slide out those pickles and bring our baking sheet right in. On this, I have some parchment paper. So lay some parchment paper down, and I'm grabbing some shredded cheddar cheese. Now I'm just gonna kind of gradually dump it out right in the center here of this, this parchment paper. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spread it out with my hands, and I'm gonna make kind of like a long rectangle shape. Geez, I'm a little tongue-tied today with this cheddar cheese here. So go ahead and do the same, making a rectangle. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you get the idea, right? Okay, yum, this is gonna be so delicious. So we have our cheese spread out. We're gonna bring our pickles back in, and I'm just gonna lay these pickles right on top of this cheddar cheese. Here, let's get a little small one right in there. And exactly, you are just gonna load this thing up with those pickles on top of this cheddar cheese. You guys are gonna love this easy sandwich trick. It is absolutely delicious and highly addicting, so be careful. Oh my God, those pickles, they look so good. I love fresh pickles. What are your favorite kind? Oof, yeah. Of course, we want to come back in and just sprinkle a little bit more cheese right on top of those pickles, just sandwiching them in. And the cheese is just going to melt. It's going to be so good. It's all going to stick together almost like a wrap. And then these pickles are just going to be baked right inside. It is going to blow your socks off. If you guys have not tried this yet, this is your calling. This is your reason. So I'm gonna pop these in the oven at 350. They're gonna cook for about probably about 15 to 18 minutes or so. And I'll let you know if that changes, and stick around. I think you're really gonna love this one. Holy moly, look at that. See how perfect that looks? That's exactly the way that you want it. Now check out what we're gonna do. I have some ground beef here, and I'm gonna place it right on this cheese. Oh, I had such a mood for this, and I thought, you know what? I want something that doesn't have any carbs, and you know, I don't have the heaviness of the bread, and just something a little bit fun and different to change it up. So I'm gonna put some ground beef right on top of that. Oh yeah, you can spread it out evenly. I mean, or you can make this into any type of a sandwich, whatever you choose to do. I don't know, what are your ideas? But I'm gonna keep moving along with some shredded lettuce. So I'm gonna put that right on top too, because who doesn't love a great burger without some good shredded lettuce and some juicy tomatoes? That's what I'm talking about right here. Ooh, this looks so good. I have that cheese with the pickles. Then we have the ground beef. Ooh, the shredded lettuce. And you know what? I'm gonna add a little bit of mayo. I really love that on my burgers. I don't know, what are you adding on top? What kind of stuff do you like on your burgers? Okay, so we have a little bit of mayonnaise there, and we are good to go. I am gonna start to just roll this up, and everything is gonna be tucked right into this cheesy roll. Oh, this is gonna be so delicious. Awesome, so we are all rolled up there. Oh, we have a little pickle there popping out. I am gonna cut this right in half. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I cannot wait to take a huge bite of this. Look at that. Wow, that looks so amazing. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get right in here. Oh yeah, I want a little bit. And those pickles right in there, oh, they look so good. Yeah, wow. I'm taking another bite here. My gosh. The pickle, the cheese, oh my gosh, this is a home run. I love this easy idea, you guys. I hope you do too. Let me know if there's anything that you're gonna do different with this. I don't know though. I mean, like I said, take a look inside. Wow, that looks so good, you guys. I absolutely love this easy idea, and I hope you do too. Let me know if there's anything you need to do different, and we'll see you guys later. Enjoy.